Welcome to Mark's Auto Sales in the virtual showroom. I have a 2003 Ford F-150 XL Sport. That is a 4-door extended cab. Those are alloy wheels. Taking it around the truck. It's a nice clean interior. Has manual windows, seats up to 6 passengers there with that armrest console up the back seat. That does have the rubber mat flooring, great for a handyman or constructor that might need a truck. We'll get that stereo back in there, but it does have air conditioning. You can turn off that side airbag. Give us a call at Mark's Auto Sales. We have buy here, pay here financing options on this and most of our inventory. Thanks for checking us out.